The widow of late Amazulu striker Bongi Ntuli allegedly stormed the pitch and disturbed the training session, much to the chagrin of players and technical team. The incident allegedly took place while Ntuli was seriously ill in hospital. Reason Sne Zungu, who is Amazulu CEO and club president Sne Zungu's daughter, believed the players were poking their noses in her marriage with Ntuli. Ntuli died in a hospital earlier this month after an illness. His demise came just weeks after her marriage to Sne. A mole inside the Usutu kraal disclosed that Sne could not stomach gossip about her husband's illness in the camp. Ntuli's illness was kept hush-hush from the media and the public until he was pronounced dead on November 3rd. He had been at a Pietermaritzburg hospital where he was diagnosed with an aggressive form of cancer, which metastasized and ultimately led to his death at the Midlands Medical Center private hospital. Two players and an official told the Sunday World that they were gobsmacked when Sne stormed training as coach Pablo Franco Martin and his technical team were going about their drills. The training pitch incident happened a week before Ntuli's demise. The source said, Sne threw profanities at the players and it's clear she wanted to send the message to everyone, hence she chose to barge in at training that day. Everyone was surprised and confused by her accusing the players that they were busy leaking to media that her fiancé was fighting for his life in hospital. Some guys tried to argue with her, saying that information could have been leaked by anyone, even from outside the club. The players said Bongi is a big player and his absence from match day squad will always raise eyebrows. But Sne would hear none of that, stopping short to telling us that if she found that players leaked information, all hell would break loose. Another source added, it is clear she was hurting and couldn't handle persisting rumors that her fiancé was fighting a losing battle in hospital, but her behavior was unbecoming and no one from management has bothered to address the issue, which left the coaches and players hugely embarrassed. Sne and Ntuli had a posh white wedding in Pietermaritzburg September. They were scheduled to stage a traditional wedding on the day of his passing. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.